mo dirmamo pentulamo tebe apollo ngbele bogwasa tebe apollo ngbele gbabasa. Hi guys, welcome back to Lala's Lounge. Here on Lala's Lounge, you know, we learn to speak the Izon language and live with ease. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family. Subscribe to this channel, like, comment, subscribe to this channel. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. And if this isn't your first time, if you're a returning subscriber, Tubara, when more? That's just weird. Tubara, when more? Blasting me. Okay. Today we are going to be discussing the parts of the body in the Izon language. Being by when come on gobo in me your mokotomo. Zawa no me. Okay, so without further ado, let us just go into it. Let's just go into the video. Wun bolo koranga mokotomo me. So we're going to mention the parts of the face. So starting with the head. The head is tibi. The hair, tibiduma. Hair, tibiduma. Head, tibi. Hair, tibiduma. Forehead, okoto. Forehead, okoto. I remember growing up when there were people that had big forehead. They would call them okotori or okoto belly. Older people will be calling them that though. But I think big forehead is nice. I don't know if I've got one of those. So the next thing is eye. We have eyes as toru. Eye, toru. Ear, berry. Ear, berry. Cheek, angba. Cheek, angba. Mouth, bibi. Mouth, bibi. Lips, bibiapura. Lips, bibiapura. So in a bibiapura be can paint la money. Yere mo dirmamo paint la mo. Teeth, aka. Teeth, aka. Teeth, aka. Tongue, molo. Tongue, molo. Tongue, molo. Neck, con. Neck, con. People, easy people. So children of God, this is the end of this video because they don't go off gen. Wait, I just keep talking and then forgetting what I'm saying. So let's go over it again. Tibi, head. Tibiduma, hair. Okoto, forehead. Toru, eyes. Berry, ears. Angba, cheek. Nini, nose. Ekpe, jaw. Baby, mouth. Aka, teeth. Molo, tongue. Con, neck. I hope I didn't miss anything. Birangabe. Shoulders, Apollo. Shoulders, Apollo. Hands, bara. Hand, bara. Wrist, barakolo. Wrist, barakolo. Palm, barabolo. Palm, barabolo. Fingers, baragbasa. Fingers, baragbasa. Nails, imimi. Nails, imimi. Chest, agbobu. Chest, agbobu. Breast, ndo. Furrow, stomach. Furrow, stomach. Konu, back. Konu, back. Now let's take that again. Agbobu, chest. Ndo, breast. Shoulders, Apollo. Bara, hand. Furrow, stomach. Konu, back. Okay, I hope that is easy enough for everyone to understand, and if you don't understand it, you can go back to the video and then practice again. Unbem kriangavelado. Ikoki waist. Ikoki waist. Tene thighs. Tene thighs. Bien buttocks. Bien worry. Buttocks. Bien. Bois leg. Bois leg. Ngbele knee. Ngbele knee. Ofo calf. Bottom heel. Bottom heel. Bogbasa toes. Bogbasa toes. Then oh, I missed bokolo. Bokolo ankle. I always make this mistake between ankle and wrist. I don't know if I'm the only one that does that, but bokolo is ankle. Barakolo is wrist. Bokolo ankle. Barakolo wrist. Bokolo leg. Bokolo ankle. Bottom heels. Bogbasa toes. Bogbasa toes. Bogbasa toes. Imimi nails. Boy mimi toenails. Let's go over it again one more time. Tibe head. Tibeduma hair. Okoto forehead. Toru eye. Berry ear. Nose. Nini angba cheek. Ekpe jaw. Bebe mouth. Aka teeth. Molo tongue. Bebiapura lips. Corn neck. Agbobu chest. Ndo breast. Shoulders Apollo. Bara hand. Furo stomach. Konu back. Ikoki waist. Tene thighs. Buttocks bien. Bois leg. Ngbele knee. Ofo calf. Bottom heel. Bogbasa toes. Bokolo ankle. Bottom heels. Bogbasa toes. I'm going to attempt to sing the English song. My head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes. My head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes. They all belong to Jesus. I'm going to attempt to sing that in Izon. So let's get giddy. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Tebe Apollo Mbele. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Osewo yingiyama. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Osewo yingiyama. Osewo yingiyama. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Mbele. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Osewo yingiyama. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Tebe Apollo Mbele Bogbasa. Osewo yingiyama. Osewo yingiyama. Woo! Yay! I've done wonderfully. We've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Share this video to your loved ones, to your family, and to your friends. Until next time, Dudu Tare, Kurotimi Bye.